Hello student, welcome to chemistry class. In today chemistry class, we will continue the important questions asked in the various year of board examination from the P block. Student, we have completed reasoning type of questions near about. Now we will start the structure based question. As I have told you that P block is divided in three parts. Okay, one is the reasoning based question, other is structure based question, and last one is the chemical equation based question. Okay, one part we have completed reasoning questions. Now we will see the structure. First, draw the structure of the formula of the following compound. Question number 1, draw the structural formula of the following compound of the following compounds. What are these compounds? Compound is first H2P2O5 and second one is B is HCF4. ओके, HCF4. अब ये क्वेश्चन कब पूछे हैं ये हम बता देते हैं. ये क्वेश्चन 2016 में पूछे हैं. 2016, 2018 एंड CBSE में पूछे हुए हैं. दिल्ली में 2013 के पेपर में पूछा हुआ है और ऑल इंडिया में 2010 में क्वेश्चन पूछा हुआ. ठीक है, इतने ईयर्स में ये क्वेश्चन पूछे गए हैं. ओके, तो हम इसको कैसे बनाएंगे? हमारा सेंटर क्या है? फास्फोरस. ओके, 2 bond with this is the compulsory bond. This one is the compulsory bond. Other compulsory bond is OH. Here is 2 hydrogen, then give 1 OH to this one. Okay. Now P is here. This is the structure of H2PO4. Okay. Now structure of Hc is square planar structure. F and F. Now see here, xenon has 8 electron. How much? Xenon has 8 electron. Among these 4 electrons are shared. 4 electrons are shared. Okay, 1 2 3 4 pair of electron shared. Now 4 electrons are remaining, 1 and this one. It is very important structure. So many times it is asked during the formation of structure you have to make this 2 structure also. एग्ज़ाम में ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. अगर इन दोनों स्ट्रक्चर को लोन पेयर शो करना भूल गए तो फिर ये नंबर कट जाएंगे. ओके, तो नोट कर लिए इसको. ओके, नाउ हम आते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पर. वीडियो पॉज करके स्ट्रक्चर चेक कर लीजिएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ड्रॉ द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल. First is HCF2 and second one is HClO4. Okay, this one is asked in foreign 2010. Okay, and this one is asked in Delhi 2013 and 2011. Also it is asked 2014 and 2014 also. Okay, this is the year in which it is asked. Now how will you make structure? Okay, the structure of this one is HCl. It has 3 pair of electrons because 2 electrons are shared and it has 8 electrons in outermost. This is the structure of HCl2. Okay, now structure of ClO4. Cl double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, and OH. This is the structure of HClO4. This is HClO4, very important structure. Okay, this one is known as perfluoric acid. Perfluoric acid. Okay, perfluoric acid. Okay, now we will see the next question. This one was question 2. Now question number 3. Question number 3. What is the structure? First is H3PO3, and second one is HCO4, OF4. Okay, this question is asked in Delhi 2010, 2012 and 17, 13, 2017 and 2013. This year it is asked. Okay, in our India, in foreign, in Delhi. Okay, in various time it is asked. Okay, this one is in foreign and our India. Okay, and this one is from Delhi. Now see the structure of this one. One is the compulsory. Here we have 3 hydrogens. Okay, and 3 oxygen. When oxygen is finished, here will be 1 hydrogen. Here will be 1 hydrogen. Next, the structure is HCFO. So this is the structure of this one, and this one, and this is the structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 6. Then one you have this. Okay, this is the structure. This portion is very important. You have to mention in examination. Okay, now we will see next question. अब हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं. ड्रॉ द स्ट्रक्चर पे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Okay, question number 4. 4. What is question number 4? Question number 4, draw the structure and predict the shape. Following compound structure formula and predict the shape. And predict the shape. शेप को प्रिडिक्ट करना, ठीक है। स्ट्रक्चर इज फर्स्ट इज HCO3, सेकेंड इज BrF3, ओके। BrF3 का स्ट्रक्चर बनाना है हमें। तो स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ दिस विल बी 1 2 3 4 4 and this is the then structure will be trigonal, pyramidal, you can say pyramidal, okay, this is the structure. Now see the structure of this one, BrF it has 7 electrons, one is shared, then one is here, one is here, means it has consumed 1 2 3 electrons from the 7, 4 are remaining. This one is the 2 and this one is the 2, okay. This is the structure. This is the T shape. This is T shape. Very important. This one is, okay. This one is the very important. Note down. Now we will see next question. Okay. What is the shape? That is that structure of one sp, only we have to make structure only. First is S3PO2, is it? Yes. Then second one is H2SO5, what is the structure? This one is the compulsory structure, this one is the next, and this is H and this is H. Now in case of this one, this is the compulsory structure, this is OH, and here is O-H, okay. This how many oxygen is consumed? 1 2 3 4, one is remaining, okay. And here will be O and here will be OH, okay. This is the structure. Next question we will see here, question of structure, okay. Question is that draw the structure of following molecules. This one was the question number 5. I hope 5. Now see the next question number 6. Question number 6. What is that? First NF3, second is H2, second is H2SO8, third is S3PO3, okay. This one is asked already 2011. Question is from 2011. It is also asked in the foreign countries. 2013, दिल्ली 2012 में पूछा हुआ है, और जो लास्ट 2013 में भी पूछा हुआ है, 13 में ये भी पूछा हुआ है। ये स्ट्रक्चर कैसे बनाना है हमें? स्ट्रक्चर बनाना है M F F F, this is F F F. Okay, this one is the first. Second, double bond O, double bond O. Okay. Now 2H, OH, OH. Now we have how many oxygen? 1, 2, 3, 4 is consumed. Now we have 4 oxygen. This how much? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 6 oxygen, then 1 and 1. This is the structure. Okay. Now the structure of S3PO3. This is the compulsory structure. 3 hydrogen is here. Oxygen is 3. 1 hydrogen is alone. This is the structure of compound. This is the structure of compound. Very easy. Note down. Then we will see some more questions. Okay. Most of the structure we have made. Okay, no one is remaining. Okay. Now student, we have completed the structural part. Now we will come to the reaction part. Now we will come to the reaction part. 2 parts we have completed. One is the rigid part, other is the structure base. Now we will see the questions of which are asked in the various year in the form of reaction. Complete the following reaction. Question is that complete the following reaction. We will see right here from here question. Complete the following. Complete the following रिएक्शन. अभी रिएक्शंस को कंप्लीट करने पहला HCl2 प्लस TF5 first one, and second one is HNO3 plus T2O5. Okay. Next reaction is third reaction is SO2 plus MnO4 minus plus H2O. This we have to complete. When it is asked, I will tell you also 4. Next question is F2 plus H2O. F2 plus H2O. And next one is fifth. Fifth is ClO3 is heated. KClO3 is heated. Okay. And last one we will see P4. 6 is the P4 plus SOCl2, and 7 one is HCl4 plus HCl4 Cl2 plus F2. First is the Cl2 plus F2. Okay, this is the question. Whenever it is asked, these two are asked in 2011, and next one is asked in 2014. This one is asked in 2014, and next one is also asked in India 2014 AL, and last one is asked in 14 and 18, 2014 and 2018. ओके, तीन वेरियस ईयर में ये क्वेश्चंस पूछे हुए हैं, इसको नोट कर लीजिए. ओके, नाउ सी द इक्वेशन हाउ यू विल कंप्लीट. HCl plus PF6 minus. This way the reaction is completed. Okay. H3HPO3 PO3 plus N2O5. Reaction you have to balance. N2O5. Here will be 2, here will be 2. Okay. Now note down. Next we will see SO4 2 minus plus Mn2 plus how much hydrogen we have? We should have 4H plus. H plus. Now we have to maintain the reaction. Here is 5, 2, 2, 5, and here is 2. Okay, this is the balance equation. Now reaction of F2 plus H2O. Here will be 4F minus plus 4H plus plus O2, 3O2. Then here will be 3. Okay. Or you can write reaction was, yes, here is 2 and water is 4, there will be also 2. Okay. Now heating the KClO3, what will be 2 KCl plus 3O2? It will give oxygen. Okay. Here will be PCl5 plus SO2 plus H2Cl2 plus H2Cl2. Now we have to maintain or balance the equation. Okay. Here will be PCl3. Okay. Now how will you maintain? Here will be 8, here will be 4, and 4, 2, here will be 4, here will be 2. Now last reaction is what? Reaction of F2 and this. It will form interhalogen ClF3. Here is 3. Okay. 2ClF3. This is the product. Okay. Now note that here is in excess. When it is in excess, this will be reaction in 300 Kelvin temperature. Kelvin not centigrade. So these are the reactions which are asked in the various years. First, when HCl2 reacts with Fe3F5, it forms cation and anion. Similarly, it forms N2O5. Okay, note down. All the reactions are very important. Now we will see some few more reactions asked in various years. Okay. Now, say reaction of PCl5 is heated. One is PCl5 is heated, and second is NaHCO3 plus HCl. Okay, some other reactions. There are what? Reaction of Xc plus F2 plus F2. Fourth, reaction of Li plus N2, and fifth is reaction of HCl2 with H2O, Okay. Now first of all we will complete this, then we will proceed forward. When you will heat this one, it will break into PCl3 plus Cl2. Similarly, when bicarbonate react with the HCl, bicarbonate react with HCl, what will happen? First of all, NaCl is formed. Then H2O plus CO2 will be formed. H2O plus CO2. Okay. Reaction of HCl2 will give HCl2. What will it give? 873 Kelvin and 187 bar pressure. Okay, it will give HCl4. Okay, HCl4. It will form nitride Li3N. Here will be 2, here will be 6. Okay, note down. Okay, note down. Now next we will see question. What is that? Reaction of HCl2 with water. It will give Hc plus HF plus half O2. It will give 2 HF and half O2. This is the complete reaction. Now see some more reaction. Okay, have you noted this? These are asked in 12th, or most of the asked in 2012, 2011, 2016 also. Now we see the equations of 16. Okay, some questions are asked in 16 also. Now see this equation, 6Fe plus 6Fe4 when react with 12H2O, it gives 4Hc plus 2HCO3 plus 24HF plus 3O2. When it reacts with this, and this product is formed. Okay, now 3Fe plus 3SO2 and H2O react, then it will form ferric is reduced into ferrous, and sulphide is converted into sulphate. Okay, this way we completed some questions. We have some more in next class we will see some more reactions which are asked in the various year of CBSE board examination. Okay student, now we will meet in next class. Thank you, have a nice day.